So you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing as a beginner? That's great. This tutorial will help you choose an affiliate marketing niche and a traffic source, and I'll walk you step by step through the process of how to earn your first sale on Digistore24. Now let's get started. When you choose affiliate marketing, whether it be for a side hustle or a full-time gig, you're able to make money without the hassles of a traditional business. You don't have to come up with your own product to sell, handle the logistics of manufacturing, or order fulfillment, and you never have to deal with customer service. Affiliate marketing does not require any previous experience, just an interest in selling and making money online. There are also little to no startup costs. You might want to build a blog for your affiliate marketing efforts or choose paid ads, but it is totally possible to make money with affiliate marketing with zero startup costs. So affiliate marketing is an excellent way to start out with online marketing. But first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is a type of advertising where you work with businesses to market and sell their products for a commission fee. That said, you can choose which companies you want to advertise for. When you decide to work with a company, you'll get a unique tracking link from that business that tracks when someone clicks on your link and buys their product or offer. Then when someone does buy their product through your link, you get a piece of that sale, a commission fee. This can be a set amount like a $50 CPA or a percentage of the sale. To make things easier, there are many online affiliate platforms where you can find tons of different offers to promote. Like Digistore24, an affiliate platform, an easy, centralized place to find great businesses who are actively looking for affiliate marketers to promote their offers and products. That means you don't have to go through the hassle of reaching out to individual businesses to market their products. Instead, you can just hop right in and find lots of companies that are actively looking to work with you right now. They will even provide you with creatives and ad copy you can use for your affiliate marketing promotions. Digistore24 has one of the largest affiliate marketplaces in the industry, with offers from all different niches like fitness and health to self-development and cryptocurrency. If that all sounds good to you, we can get started with showing you exactly how to earn money quickly and easily as an affiliate marketer. I'm going to start with how to choose a niche and end with exactly how to get your first sale. So let's jump in. The first thing you're going to want to decide is which affiliate niche you want to focus on and sell products for. If you're feeling overwhelmed or confused about how to choose a niche, just ask yourself these questions. What topics could you talk about all day? What do you tell your friends about anyway? Is there a topic you're already very passionate about? And what do you think your audience would like to hear about? Some of the most popular niches are health and fitness, investments, business development, and dating, but you'll have the most success by choosing a niche you genuinely enjoy. Once you've chosen a niche for yourself, it's time to choose a traffic source. Traffic refers to eyes you're getting on your advertisements. The more people you can get looking at your advertisements, the more people who will click your links, purchase the products you're promoting, and boom! That's money in the bank for you. See, affiliate marketing really isn't that hard. There are two types of traffic you can drive to your affiliate links: paid and organic. Organic traffic is views and clicks on your affiliate links that are essentially free. These views and clicks are often from social networking platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. The important thing to know about organic traffic is that it requires you to grow an audience on one or more of these platforms. This can be creating videos for TikTok or YouTube, posting about your personal interests on Facebook or Instagram, or creating a page or a group dedicated to your niche. Building an audience to drive organic traffic to your affiliate links can be a very effective strategy, but growing an audience can take time, so your sales might be slower as you build this traffic stream and gain their trust. If you feel comfortable being on screen, either in pictures or video, you can easily post every day or every other day. Organic traffic can be a great choice for you. One thing to note about growing an audience on Facebook or Discord is that going into other people's groups and dropping links can easily get you banned from the group or even the platform. So if you choose this route, you need to have your own group. Once you've chosen a platform and established an audience, one of the biggest factors in your success as an affiliate marketer is a thing called KLT. KLT stands for know, like, and trust. The more people who know you, like you, and trust you, the more people will be interested in looking at and potentially buying any affiliate links you promote. That brings me to another crucial point about affiliate marketing. Always promote products you actually like and have used or would use yourself. And be authentic when doing so. A good example is promoting a keto cookbook you personally already use to lose weight and stay healthy. If you promote products you don't care about, your audience will be able to tell and will not be as interested, meaning less people will click your links and you'll earn less affiliate marketing commissions. Not only that, if you promote products that aren't good quality, you'll lose the trust of your audience very quickly and they will no longer buy from you in the future. That's why Digistore24 gives you multiple ways to figure out which offers are actually good converting products. I'll tell you more about how we do that in just a moment. Now, if you want to try organic traffic but aren't a fan of social media, you can also start an email list or blog. To start an email list, all you need to do is sign up for an email provider, gather email addresses from people who are interested in the topics you write about, and simply send emails to those people every day or every few days. We always recommend, however, mixing in content with your affiliate promotions. This option can be great because no matter what happens to the social media platforms, your email list belongs to you, and no one can take it away from you. Of course, building an email list that can generate enough clicks to give you the profit that you're looking for can also take time. On the other hand, paid traffic is views and clicks on your affiliate links that require an upfront cost, meaning you put down your own money to place ads that are shown on whichever platform you choose. The most popular platforms that use paid traffic are Facebook, YouTube, and Google. Using paid ads can be a great way to drive traffic to your affiliate links without needing to build an audience for yourself. But they do require a budget to begin with, which you might not have if you're just starting out. If you do decide to use paid traffic, it's important to know that Facebook and TikTok have what is known as compliance rules. These rules limit what you can say, how you can say it, and what you can show in a paid advertisement on these platforms, as well as where you can link. If you break these rules, your advertisement will be taken down and no one will be able to click on your link. If no one clicks on your link, you won't get paid. You could even also get your ad account banned. So if you go this route, make sure to spend some time learning the ins and outs of advertising compliance to avoid the extra hassle. Don't worry though, if you try one of these strategies and decide it's not for you, you can always switch up your strategy at any time. Hopefully by now you've decided which niche you'd like to start with and which kind of traffic you'll be using. So let's dive into how exactly you can make your first sale. First, like we mentioned before, go onto the Digistore24 marketplace and take a look at the offers that are available for you to promote as an affiliate. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of the most common niches, so go ahead and click on the niche you've decided to focus on. In the middle of your screen, you'll see the list of offers that are currently available to you. The main number you really want to focus on here are earnings per sale. This is the number that shows you how much you'll actually make on average when someone purchases the product you're promoting using your affiliate link. The second metric you'll want to look at here is the commission offered. This is what the vendor will provide to you for every sale you refer. It's always good to promote an offer with a high commission payout, especially if you go the paid traffic route. If most people who click on your link aren't checking out because of marketing materials the company is using, then you're also not getting paid. On the right-hand side of these figures, you'll also see links to the sales page and affiliate support page. The sales page is a great place to learn more about the product, what makes it unique, and good angles to help you market the product yourself. This is where you'll be linking to. When I say angles, I mean you can create your advertisements based on the stories told on the sales page, the testimonials that were used, and even the individual ingredients or course modules that make the product unique. It can be a great resource and can really take your sales up a notch, so be sure not to skip this step. The affiliate support page has additional information that the business put together to help you sell more effectively. Sometimes this can even include affiliate swipes, which are email copy or general ad copy that you can take and use directly in your own advertising. This done for you strategy can make your life easier because you don't have to come up with ideas on your own, and you can rest easy knowing the swipes that are given to you have already been tested and proven to work. Not every business chooses to add this support page, but if you do see the affiliate support page, be sure to check it out. While you don't have to use the exact ad copy they provide, it can at least point you in the right direction of how to successfully promote their offer. Now you're ready to get promoting. When you see a product you'd like to sell, click on the Promote Now button. From there, you'll be taken to a page that gives you your personalized promo link. Sometimes vendors need to manually approve you before you can begin promoting, but for the most part, you'll be able to get your unique link immediately. This link will always lead to the product sales page, which is why it's so important to make sure the sales page is strong and sells the product well. A good rule of thumb is if you wouldn't buy it, based on the sales page, your audience probably won't either. One of the best parts of using Digistore24 is that when a potential customer clicks on your unique link, a cookie is stored in their browser cache for 180 days. That means that if the potential customer ends up buying the product anytime in the next 6 months, you still get your commission. I'd say that's a pretty sweet deal. Once you have your unique link, simply put this link into whichever advertisement or personal page you've decided to sell with. When someone clicks on this link and decides to buy the product, you'll receive a share of the sale as your commission. These commissions can be found in the reports page under commissions. And there you have it, from starting as a complete beginner to making your first sale. Now it's your turn. Once you begin making sales with affiliate marketing, the sky is the limit.